We just received another glowing review from another one of our satisfied customers, and we wanted to share it with the world. Here's what they had to say. It never gets old to hear our customers post these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing our customers are happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. Happy customers are the key to our success, allowing us to continue growing our customer base. But don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll love the value and attention to detail that our team delivers. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.